So here we are, San Diego, California, and it is about, I don't know, 70 degrees right now, perfect weather. And we're gonna see how much it costs to drive this BMW M4 CS from San Diego all the way to the greater Seattle area, which is basically the whole entire West Coast. This is gonna be expensive. You guys know how much these gas prices are in Southern California, like $6.50, some almost $7 a gallon. But let's just get the show on the road. You got our first tank of gas. We are a little bit below half of a tank right now. Good old National City. I don't know if you guys know this, but I used to live down here in San Diego. I lived down here, in Southern California about 12 years. 805 north. GPS says we have almost 19 hours of driving time. That doesn't include the stops, gas fill-ups, none of that stuff. So anybody here from San Diego, live in San Diego? Drop it down in the comments. The area I used to live in, right off the 805. There goes Qualcomm Stadium. I thought they tore that down already, but I guess not. But there goes my old exit right up there. Yeah, not bad. Our one thing I forgot to do was reset the fuel consumption. So right now we're at 24 miles a gallon. Let's see here, let's go ahead and reset that. Teslas, you see them like everywhere here in Southern California. Let's check so far, 30.2 miles per gallon, which is going to go down, especially sitting in this traffic here in Carlsbad, California. It's always traffic here, as far as what I can remember. Oh, good old Oceanside, California. I remember Oceanside very well. So when it comes to calculating these gas prices, I'm going to cheat just a little bit and see if I can get some cheaper gas here where I used to work at. We're here in good old Camp Pendleton, California. I saw the gas prices, man, $6 a freaking gallon. Let's say $6.50-ish a gallon. Is this the highest gas prices in the lower 48 states? Have you seen anything higher than, let's say, $6.50-ish? All right, so while we're waiting in line, right now I have, and I think I'm going to be using these settings for the duration of the trip. So I have the engine in efficiency mode because no need to be in sport or sport plus mode right now. We have about 18 hours and 1,200 miles to go. We have our suspension in comfort and our steering in comfort. So I think that's the most comfiest setting. I think it is. And I have the transmission settings, the shift settings set at 1. Let me see here. Yeah, it's at 1. That's the softest one. Okay, $62. Great. Oh, look, Subi. Hey. Come on, let's go. All right, Subi. Oh, shit, dude. What are you doing in the middle, man? Fuck. Let's see here. All right, let me just connect. We're at, what's the miles per gallon? We're averaging about 27 miles a gallon right now. Okay, so pardon the interruption. One thing I forgot to mention is that I'm gonna drive this car at speeds that I normally would drive. Right now we're at 80 miles an hour. Engine is spinning at around 2,000-ish RPM. I'm gonna talk about that one later, but I'm not gonna try to hypermile it or anything like that. I don't exactly know how good this car does on gas. Hopefully it does better than my Subaru, because that, man, my STI sucked on gas mileage. But you know, it's something to be expected with you know, big fuel system, big injectors and whatnot. So another Tesla. Wow, these Teslas are like Civics in Southern California. Subi! For you guys that live in the LA area, how do you guys do this? God, for the past hour, it's been nothing but stop and go traffic. When it comes to the M4, I think one of the things that really sold me on this car was one, it does, I don't know, it's not like a limited car. It's, I think they made like 3,000 of them, but the color of this car, San Marino blue, I don't know, it just speaks to me. I don't know, it's just, it just drives really good, and that's what I've been experiencing so far. It's just a fun car to drive. And, you know, we're going to open it up later on. Of course, we can't do it right now because we're in traffic. Oh, yeah, hey, semi-truck. Sure, go ahead. Okay, never mind. But, I don't know. I just wanted a car that just, I don't know, that fits me and my personality and just speaks to me. Let's get past this truck. Come on. He's, I think he's wanting to cut into this lane. But I don't know, it just speaks to me. I don't know what it is. Yep, still in traffic, guys. Now, I know what you guys are saying. For those of you guys who know BMWs and know the flaws of the S55 engine, yes, I do plan on doing the Crank Hub. All right, finally got past all that traffic. A 2-hour drive turned to almost a 4-hour freaking drive just to get to this point into the trip, but we're now in the hills. Right now we're, let's see, 127 miles into the trip, and it took almost 4 hours. We're averaging about 27.2 miles per gallon now. That was a close one. P-brake success. Feels so much better. Where the hell are we at? Okay, this is the on-ramp. See if we can do a nice pull. Oh man, holy shit! The thing pulls. Oh man, that was great. My phone fell out. 105? Only reached 105. It's pretty quick. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but man, it gets up. We are going uphill, by the way. Really love that heads-up display. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera. Really cool. You know, it really helps. Right now, we're in the. We just got past the Grapevine. We're heading towards Bakersfield right now, cruising at a steady 65 miles an hour-ish or so. So yeah, the car feels great. It's just really, really smooth. It really feels at home at speed. For the most part, you know, we've been cruising at around 80, 85 miles an hour-ish, and the engine's spinning at around 2,500 RPMs, where in the STI, you know, the STI would be spinning like a 4 grand or a little bit over 4 grand, so it gets really buzzy, a lot of vibrations. So with it spinning, with the BMW spinning at only like 2,000 RPMs, you don't have the vibrations, you don't have the harshness or the buzziness, so it's less fatiguing on long drives. And if you guys know me well, I like to go on road trips and long drives with the family, so that really, really helps. Is that a cop? Shit.
I mean, you are some of the most opposite thinking people in some.
So we've been driving at a very, let's just say, brisk speed, and it really totally killed my miles per gallon. So we were at what, 28 or something like that, and we're now at 26. So yeah, we're gonna get some gas. I hopefully there's gas here. I think yes, there's a Shell right there. All right, let's go ahead and get some gas here. I don't know what city it is. It says at Penocha Road. All right, so Penocha Road. Let's go get some good stuff. All right, let's see what gas prices here are. We paid what, 5 something, 550, 569, 559, and it's 644 here at Penocha Road. All right, so Shell gas station it is. Put the good stuff in there. $67. Man, that hurts. $67. All right, let's see how far we drove. We drove 312 miles. This stuff kept me awake. C4 energy drink. A little bit stronger than a Bang or a Monster. Not gonna lie to you guys. All right. Penocha Road, I'd love to stay, but I gotta go. I got shit to do. Let's try to drive efficiently this time. I don't think that's gonna happen, but we'll see. Beautiful beautiful sunset here in Stockton, California. Right now we're averaging still around 26.1 miles per gallon, only because I was cruising at about, let's just say, $1.25 for a really long time on the 5 freeway. But yes, anyone here live in Stockton that's watching this, for the 5 of you that are actually seeing this video. But anyways, just enjoying the drive right now. Beautiful sunset that you see out there. Absolutely stunning. All right, scrap that idea. Like $250 for one freaking night, but it's just not worth it. Oh, man. All right, went and got a room at this Best Western. That's all they had. The Holiday Inn had no rooms. I'm up here at room 237. All right, there's a light. There you go. Oh, looks clean enough. All right, not bad for $100. Ah, shit. Good morning. It is now the next day. Just checking out of this pretty janky room, but it's time to go. I'm kind of overslept, but what can you do, right? That's gonna get cleaned off later. You should see how low my gas is. It is ridiculous. I think I got about 5 miles of range as far as gas goes. So once you cross the border, gas should be like $1 cheaper. Should be. Range 6 miles. So I don't know how, but I kept going. I kept the car in cruise control, cruising about 70, 75 miles an hour. We're just cruising, just listening to music, listening to some podcasts, whatever. And I got 406 miles out of this last tank. All right, 629. Jeez. All right, so we're only gonna put like 3 or 4 gallons in here. We're not gonna put too much. Screw all these gas prices. All right, $20, 3 gallons of gas. Huh. All right, so we officially crossed into Oregon. California is now behind us. And as soon as we cross the border in Oregon, there you go, there's a sign, it starts raining. All right, let's go get some gas, since I only put 3 gallons of gas on that last fill up. In Oregon, you can't pump your own gas. So premium 92 is $5.05 a gallon, which is over $1 cheaper than it is right across the border in California. Wow, just a dramatic difference in gas prices as soon as you cross the border. So 12 gallons, 12.8 gallons, $64 at $5.05 a gallon. We got about 3 hours left on this trip. Everyone's driving slow as shit because it says Oregon. We're going about 65 miles an hour-ish or so. That yellow color, you hardly ever see those. It's pretty cool. Got wheels on it. All right. Come on, lady, will you just go? What are you doing? Oh my God. Well, there goes Portland. I can't say it's one of my favorite cities, that's for sure. My corporate office is one of those buildings down there along the water. Thank God I don't have to go there anymore. It's where the Portland Trail Blazers play. And let's see what time we got. We got 2 hours and 42 minutes to go. Or actually, no. Is it 2 hours? Yeah. 180 miles to go before we are home. Home stretch. 1 more fill up to go. We should be home. 173 miles. All right, so here we are. Goodbye, Oregon. Hello, Washington. There you go. All right, I'm cutting it really close here. Range is 21 miles. Okay, 5.15 a gallon. So we're not gonna fill up at this gas station here. We're gonna go cheat again a little bit because there's another gas station I want to go to about, I think it's about 20 miles away from here. Let's see what we got here. 2.5 gallons at $5.15. That cost around, let's see here, 12 bucks. All right. So one thing I forgot to mention is that we went about 390 miles on that last tank of gas. Here on base, $5.05 a gallon. Not bad. I thought it'd be cheaper than that. All right, actually I was wrong. It's $4.15 or $4.95 a gallon. Oh, that just looks so good. Man, I am loving the way this thing looks. Gotta love it. 61, 69, 12.4 gallons. All right. Fucking left lane hog shit. Oh, come on there. Oh, Jesus, come on, move. All right, so the M4 is now safely at home. Super's been chilling in the garage this whole time. The car definitely needs a wash and a detail. After that, I don't know, 12 or 1,400 mile drive from San Diego to Seattle, basically the whole entire West Coast. But, you know, as far as M cars, I get it now. These M cars are absolutely fantastic. You know, I wish I could have got the GTS, maybe even a G80, but, you know, the prices of those are just so much more than this that I couldn't justify an extra $30,000 to $50,000, $60,000, you know, for a G80 or a GTS. But the car is absolutely fantastic. You know, it's much more comfortable, a lot less fatiguing on long drives than my STI. I have driven my STI from here all the way to San Diego before, and this is just a more relaxing, just a more comfortable drive. And it's just so easy to drive. It's very good on the highway. So Germans know one thing. They know how to build a car that is very good on the highway because they have the Autobahn. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, if you guys are still watching this, hopefully you guys subscribe and do all that other stuff that YouTubers say at the end of the videos. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.